Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate orange biscuits. For the biscuits you will need 75 grams of butter, cubed and at room temperature, 75 grams of caster sugar, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of milk, 225 grams of plain flour and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. To your butter add your caster sugar and cream together until well combined. Then add your egg and your milk and mix until well combined. And then add your plain flour and your cocoa powder and mix and bring together until you have a nice dough formed. Then to a pre-floured work surface, you want to roll out your biscuit dough and you want to roll it out until it's about half a centimetre thick. Then I used a 6cm fluted cutter and just cut out my biscuits. Then pop these on a pre-lined baking tray with baking paper and bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for 10 to 12 minutes. Then for your icing you will need 175 grams of icing sugar, 3 tablespoons of orange juice and 25 grams of chocolate. To your icing sugar, add your orange juice a little bit at a time until you have the consistency that would coat the back of a spoon. You probably won't need all the orange juice, but like I say, just add it a little bit at a time. If you add too much and it becomes too runny, just add more icing sugar to bring it back. And then you simply want to spoon a dollop of your icing in the middle of each biscuit, just spreading it out so then it covers the top of the biscuit. And then you want to melt your chocolate. So I melted mine in a microwavable bowl in the microwave for 20 seconds at a time, stirring in between each time. And then you simply want to drizzle your chocolate over your biscuits to make a nice pattern. It is easier with a piping bag, but as I've done, you can just do it with a fork. And then just pop these to one side to allow the icing and the chocolate to set. And there you have it. That's how you make chocolate orange biscuits.